Hi, and welcome to this brief presentation of what's new in the payment management solution for the Business Central 2024 Release Wave 1. My name is Anne, and I'm the Solution Specialist for Payment Management. Payment Management version 24 contains a few things that are definitely worth taking a look at. The bank account verification released in 2023 was created to help prevent fraud from external threats. Knowing the different ways that criminals can sneak an invoice into the system or give you bank account information to gain access to funds. Using bank account verification, you would be protected from this type of beneficiary account change. But what if the threat comes from within? What if someone in the company has ill intentions and start getting profits from outgoing payments? We've added an extra layer of security in order to prevent this, so now you're able to choose if you want someone to be able to approve their own changes to an account. Let me show you how. You'll find the setup if you go to the Payment Management Setup page. Go to the Assisted Setup Guide and Setup Payment Approval Guide. On this page, you can select if you want to use bank account verification. And now you're also presented with the option to allow verifiers and/or approval administrators to approve own changes. And also if you want to block the payments from being sent to the bank until the changes on the bank account have been verified. Let's take a look in the payment journal. Here you can see that there are two lines, one valid and one invalid. Let's take a look at the valid one. The bank account is unverified and another user have made changes to the recipient bank account. I'll go ahead and verify the bank account. And everything is good. But if we take a look at this line is invalid because it needs a bank branch code on the recipient bank account. I want to update the bank account. Now I want to update the bank account, but because this was altered by someone else with data that has not yet been verified, I will now have to either approve the change that has been made by the other user or reject it to be able to add my own change. And because I set up that I do not want to allow approval administrators to approve their own changes, I get an error when I try. Someone else will have to verify this bank account. Now I've waited a while and someone else has verified the account and I'm able to send it to the bank. Now to something completely different. We've added the option to automatically post payment lines in the payment journal. We aim to optimize as much as possible to free up valuable time. This is a natural next step for having a status that informs us when it's paid in the bank. Why not clear up the working area of the payment journal right away, so it's clutter-free and ready for you to work in every time you open it? This is set up in the Payment Journal setup. You can access it from the top menu, but as you can see, the setup of this job queue is tied to a field in the setup page. So let's change the setting from manual to automatic. It is recommended to only use automatic posting when the payment line has the status paid. So I'll just go ahead and change that. Now we have access to enabling the job queue from the link that appeared here. It's set up to run when you enable it and every hour after that. But you can of course change this to an interval that suits your needs. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.